Yes, sir,
Yes,
you can continue.
thank you, Amrit. Hi, Shravanti. Shravanti, is it audible to you?
Hello?
Yes, Shravanti. Is it audible?
Yes, just your voice little bit low.
Just give me a second. Yeah, I hope it's now good. Hello.
Yes, yes, it's good now.
You. Yeah, just I'm sharing my screen. Hope you can see. Yes, my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
So yeah, yesterday we seen the S4 side organization structure, and S4 is nothing but so other model organization structure we have seen FICO, MM, and SD, and WM as well. Okay. So and
Yeah.
coming to this EWM organization, today we are going to discuss EWM side organization structure. So first thing is warehouse number, storage type, storage section, and storage bin. So first we'll define warehouse number. Okay. So go to the system, go to SPRO and SAP reference IMG. Click on this SAP reference IMG and just come down. And here we are having SCM extended warehouse management node. Click on that, and in that we are having extended warehouse management. So in that again, go to master data, and here we are having define warehouse number, right? So like each and everything. So in EWM part, what are the configuration we are going to do? We are going to perform in the EWM. So we are going to perform in this SCM extended warehouse management node. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are going to define the warehouse number. So we are having the option of warehouse number here. Define warehouse number. Just click on execute. So I'm going the new entries. So I'm defining my warehouse number as S100. Okay. So it is again Samsung EWM warehouse. Yes, S100. Enter and save this one. And just click on continue. So after defining, we are going to copy from the standard to my warehouse number, right? So again, I'm going to copy from the standard. So for this copying, so we are not having the option here. So just come down or just close this master data and go to cross process settings. So here we are having copy warehouse number customizing. So click on execute. So what is the source again? It's asking source warehouse number. Go there for help and you can take 0001 and 1000 or 1710. Anything is fine. I'm going with the 1000. So to my warehouse number, S100 is my warehouse number. Enter, enter, and just click on copy. You want to continue? Yes, just continue. So like, is it required to enter the path how we are defining and everything, or you can go through the class?
Sorry?
So like, is it required to enter the path as well? Like, in this node we are going to define the warehouse number, and here we are going to
Yeah,
copy
yes,
the
yes.
warehouse.
I need that path.
Okay. Yes, copying is completed.
Do you
Click on.
give any notes or only the recording videos?
So like I will provide this notepad and everything, Excel sheet,
Okay.
like which we are going to
Okay.
discuss in the class.
Yeah, that's better to understand me. Yeah.
Yes, copying is completed. Now again go to the master data. Define warehouse number. It is completed. The next organization structure is storage type. I'm going to define the storage types now. Yes. And again, what is meant by storage type? So now
Is
I'm
the
going.
subdivision in the warehouse?
Yes. So as I informed you earlier, so everything it is going to categorize as a storage type, right?
Yeah.
So it is for my door is 9030 inbound side door and 9010 staging area and work center, and again staging area for the outbound side and outbound side door. So how I am going to categorize? You'll see that. So here we are having these many storage types in my system. 0010, 0020, 21, 30, 40, 50. So again, coming to this, so you can see here 8010 deconsolidation in good receipt. So it is a work center again,
Yes. Yeah.
and I mentioned you 9010 providing goods receipt set. It is an inbound set staging area, right? And
Yeah.
also 9020 providing goods issue set, and also doors. You can see 9030 and 9040. So here I'm going to take the standard. So here we are high rack and rack storage types we are having. So I'm going to copy from 0010. I'm going to name it as S101. S101 is a storage type for my virus number S100. Enter and save this one. Okay, again I'm selecting this one. Click on copy S102. I'm defining two storage type in my warehouse. One is S101 and S102. So saved. It is done. See the second class. EWM said org structure. And in that first one is define Veros number. So what is my EWM Veros number?
Yes,
Like,
100.
yes, 100. And also define storage type. What is the storage type I created?
Right?
Is
Yeah,
101
101. Yeah.
and
Yes,
102.
102.
Yes. The next one is section, right? Storage section. You can go to the system, save this one, and just come back. So here we are having define storage sections. Now just click on execute and go with the new entries. And for my warehouse number is 100. So, and what is the storage type? In which storage type you want to create the section? So I will go with
Yes,
S101.
101.
Yes, I will create in S101. And what is the storage section name you want to give? So I will give FMS. It is nothing but fast moving
Fast
section.
section. Yeah.
Yes. In the same way, S100, S101 storage type, slow moving section, SMS. And go with slow moving section. And again in S100, S101 storage type, non-moving section, NMS. And it is non-moving section. So it is not recommended to go with only these naming conventions. You can go with your own naming convention as well. But just for better understanding, I'm going with this one. Yes, enter and save this one. Yes, you can see the hierarchy here. So in warehouse number S100 in this S101 storage type, I'm going to create the sections. Yes, the same thing in the Excel sheet we mentioned, right? In this warehouse number and in A01 storage type, I'm going to create the sections here. Yes, I hope
Yeah.
it's clear. So if you want to go with in second storage type also, you can go with it. Okay. So I'm
Okay.
defining storage section only in X101 storage type. Okay. Yes. FMS, comma, SMS, comma, NMS. Fast moving, slow moving, and non moving. And the last one is
Storage
define
bin.
storage bin. Yes. So again, coming to the storage bin. So we can create this storage bin in three ways. Okay, we can create by using three ways. You can first by using manual creation. So manually also you can create, and for this we are having the T code, transaction code, and the transaction code /n/SEWM / LS01. You know that like why I'm going to use this /n and /o, you know, right?
Yes. Slash n is for that's new T code.
It is going to open in the same session, it is going to open one more session. If you are
It is
going the
going to new one, new session it is opening.
/o is nothing but new session. So I'll go
Yeah.
slash O. It is going to open. Suppose I am in define warehouse number session. So if I go to the slash O, then it will be there. Define warehouse number session will be there, and it is going to open one more new session. Okay. So if I
Okay.
use slash N, if I am in define warehouse number
Current
session,
one closing and new
so it
one
is,
is
yeah,
opening.
yes, it is going to close the current one, define warehouse number, and it is going to open the LS01 transaction.
Yeah.
So again, coming to this manual section, we are going to perform in slash n slash SEWM slash LS01 T code. Just, yeah, can say the slash SEWM slash LS01. Again, like the T codes which you are going to start to for EWM set is going to start with the slash SEWM. So you need to mention, like, whenever anyone asks you how we are going to create the bins by using manual, how we are going to create. So you can tell slash SEWM slash LS01 completely you need to tell. Okay. And
Okay.
also by using bin structure. So and here for this we have slash SCWM slash LS10 is the T code to go with the bin structure. And then after by using uploading tool. So for this one we're having slash SCWM slash SBUP. And for this first one, manual creation. So in this manual creation, we can create one by one. Okay, we can create only one by one pins in this. We can create. So again, so in my warehouse, I'm having n number of pins, thousands of bins or hundreds of bins I'm going to have in my warehouse, right? So it is not possible to go with the manual creation again, right? I'm going the bin structure and also uploading tool I'm having. So it is this both bin structure and uploading tool. So second and third, it is going to fulfill my warehouse by using the mass creation of the bins. Mass creation of bins is going to happen by this bin structure and as well as uploading tool. Yes. Now we'll go with the first one, manual creation of the bin. So what is the T code? Slash SEWM slash LS01. You need to spell everything. Slash SEWM slash LS01. I'm going with the new tab. So I will go with slash SEWM slash LS01 slash and SEWM slash LS01. So I'm going the warehouse number S100, S100 only, right? And what is the storage bin you want to create? Take any other bin. Suppose I will take this 01. Take it. So in which storage tab you want to create the storage bin? So we define S101 storage type, right? Okay, this I'm selecting S101. So if you want to go the section also, I can go with in which section. So I will go with FMS, fast moving section. Yes, enter. Now just click on save. Yes, what it is telling? Assignment for warehouse number is 100.
This
It is not.
one not maintained.
Yes, what it is saying. So you have assigned a supply. You have not assigned a supply chain unit and party entitled to dispose or owner to the warehouse number. And what is the procedure we need to perform? So assign to each warehouse number a supply chain unit and party entitled to dispose and owner. So yes, the production system. and to create this one, it is the path. It is, it is showing you. Okay. So again, so and say prerequisite to create the storage bin. One of the prerequisite to create the bin. So first, what is that? Create the supply chain in it, and also assign to the warehouse number. So first we are going to create a supply chain in it, and after assigning to the warehouse number, then only it will allow to create the bin in my warehouse. Okay. And again,
Okay.
so what is meant by the supply chain in it? So it is nothing but it is a logical, or you can say physical, that it is going to represent the group of products. So in my logistics, you can say a warehouse is nothing but again it is a logistics. So in that logistics, I'm having specific business attributes. Okay. So you can say business attributes again it is nothing but it is going to represent locations like doors, warehouse and inventory, docking location, shipping office. So here we are having in EWM. So we are having doors and GR zone, work center, everything, right? The naming convention. So in my logistics, so like you can say the naming conventions in my logistics, I'm going to have different it is. So again, what we're having shipping office or goods is shipped office, warehouse. So we'll see that. So it is a logical. Uh, so you can say physical entity that is going to represent within my warehouse. So now to create the supply chain it, how I'm going to create the supply chain in it. So go to slash and slash scmb slash scu main is a transaction. Okay. So copy this T code, go to slash and slash scmb slash scu main. Just click on enter. So it is asking supply chain unit. So I want to create my supply chain unit with number S100 dash SCU is a supply chain unit. So I'm going to create with this name S100 dash SCU. So and type. So go the F for help. So again, my supply chain unit I'm going to create to my warehouse. I'm going to create at the warehouse level. So it is again. So I can create only one supply chain unit to my warehouse. It is a 1:1 ratio. And what I'm going to do now, create. I need to
Great.
create the supply chain unit. Right? Just click on create. So if you want to display, It is not going to display. Why? Because it is not there in my.
Created. Yeah, it does not exist.
Yes. Now I'm going with the create option. Yes, and it is supply chain unit for my
Right.
warehouse number S100.
Warehouse.
Yes. So if you want to enter some of the longitude, latitude, can enter. It is not required again. Go to the address tab. In that, I'm going to title give company and name as supply chain unit for my warehouse number S100, and this is the supply chain unit and where it is. It is asking. So I will give some echo space, some postal code, and Bangalore city, India. Region is 10, and the language is English. Let's save this one. It is saved. And now go the alternative tab. So click on create. So we're having business attributes field here. Yes, as I told you, in my logistics, I'm going to have, you can say, DL is nothing but docking location. Okay, and door, gate, stock location, warehouse, loading point. You can say docking is nothing but again inbound set staging area, and loading point it is outbound set staging area. Stock location, I everything. So it is going to map to my logistic naming conventions. Okay. So these many like we are having 12 business attributes in my supply chain unit. So based upon the requirement, you can add this business attribute. Suppose you are going like in your warehouse, you are having configuration with a door. So I'm going to select door. Okay, if you're having any configuration with the GR zone, so I'm going to select docking location. So everything. If you're having any requirement, you can select that particular business attributes, or else you can take all 12 attributes. It is not and any issue. It is not going to take any issue. I'm going to take all business attributes. Okay. So almost we are having 12 business attributes here. So first I'm going to select again DL is nothing but docking location. Yes, again go to the next line item, go to F4 help again, door, click on door, yes, door, and then gate.
Is this supply chain unit is same warehouse or this is the another store?
Sorry,
This supply chain unit is the same warehouse or it
yes,
is any other store or other type of warehouse?
no, no, it is same.
Same warehouse. Okay.
So for the logistic purpose, we are having some naming conventions. That's it.
Okay.
We are going to add to this name convention to my warehouse. That's it. So last one. So here we are having 12 business attributes. Yes. So this it is going to use for the efficient warehouse process, and also it is going to support the various logistic processes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can display. Now we created it. You can go with the display. It is going to show you. So I created with this S100-SCU and add 12 business attributes to your supply chain unit SC. So what is the next thing? I'm going to create the supply chain unit and also I'm going to assign to the warehouse. So have I assigned to my warehouse this supply chain unit?
No.
So just I created on the warehouse level I created, but I haven't assigned to my warehouse, right?
Yes.
Yes. So again, come to the system. So go with the previous tab. So here again, SCM extended warehouse management. So in master data,
Master data.
it's
Yes. Assign warehouse numbers.
here, assign warehouse numbers. Click on execute. So it is asking this is your warehouse number. If you want to
Yes.
change, you can also change. If it is not,
Okay.
yes, you can go with the apply. So it is telling there is no entries that is going to found to your warehouse number. Now I am going the new entries. So what is your supply chain unit? Go the F4 or else if you know the supply chain unit, you can directly enter.
Yeah.
Right? Yes. Again, while entering, just make sure that just copy and paste. Don't
Yeah.
go with the manual, or else you can do just go with the F4L. Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because like you may enter some
Yes.
wrong supply chain, anything, not only supply chain, you'll enter something wrong. Just copy and paste. That's it. So now click on save. So when I'm clicking on this like when I'm clicking on this T code SU main, so it is not getting any TR. It is not getting yes, right? Why? Because again it is a
Sorry
master
for
data.
the disturbance. Yeah.
So
Okay.
yes. So we are not going to get any TR for this one. So why? Because it is a master data. It is a one-time activity. Okay. So again, so in that error we have seen the supply chain unit and also default party entitled to dispose. It should be assigned to your warehouse, right? So this we'll see in coming classes. For now, supply chain unit is created. Yes, supply chain unit is created and assigned. So we'll go with the manual creation of the pin now. Okay.
Okay. In real time, generally people use which type of which type of method to create the storage bin?
So in you see like just for the normal creation, they will go with the manual. So if they're having large requirement of the bins, then they will go with the bin structure or uploading tool. Both they can use.
Okay.
There is like not any specific that you should
Okay.
go only with
Based
the
on the
bin
requirement.
structure.
Okay.
You can also go with both. It is not a problem. Just we are going to create the bin. That's it, right?
Okay.
Anyway, like by using the structure or uploading tool. Anyway, you are going to just create the bins, not anything in that. Yes. So what is the T code to create the manual creation of the bin?
These are very
Dash.
difficult to remember, these T codes.
Like if you start practicing and start just recapping everything, just it is not an issue.
Okay.
So again, you need to spell this SCWM/LS01 total you need to spell. So why? Because this LS01. So just I will type LS01. So it is going to create the storage bin, right?
Oh, okay.
So why like in WM LS01 is also it is going to create the storage bin, but we are going with the EWM, right? So we need to mention
Okay.
SCWM/LS01. We are going with only LS01, then it is the creation in the WM side. Yes. Now I'm going to create the storage bin. So I'll go with this S101-01, enter. And what is the storage type? S101, right? And if you
That
want to go with the
is. We have to give the storage section also, I think.
Again,
Yes.
so here you have to learn.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Yeah, we'll go the storage section. But again, here the like mandatory fields are warehouse number, storage bin, and storage type. So these three fields are mandatory. Again, storage section it is not mandatory. Okay,
okay,
it's not an issue again. Enter and save this one. Yes, the moment I saved, you can see storage bin S101 is created. Now I will copy this bin, just close this one, and we are having the tool. Just come back. I will go slash n slash SEWM slash MON. Okay, so we are having this T code monitor. So this is the warehouse management monitor. So everything you can check over here. So inbound or outbound, anything you can check. So I'm going the bin. Okay, so go with the stock and bin. So I want to check storage bin. Double click on the storage bin. So in which storage type? S101 is the storage type. So I'm going to check in this S101 storage type what are the bins are there. Okay. So
okay,
no, like you don't want anything. I will go with the my bin S101-01. You can also go with your bin. Okay. Just I
okay,
want to check in S101 what are the storage bins are created. Now just enter the storage type S101 and click on execute. Yes, the moment I executed, you can see the bin S101 is the bin and this is the storage type and this is the storage section. It is having. So in this storage bin, so it is having no HOs, maximum number of HOs, 0, 0, everything 0. But because we just created the bins, there is no item, there is no product in that particular bin, right?
okay.
Yes, it is done. Manual creation is done, right? So again,
Yeah,
now we are going to perform by using a bin structure.
pin structure.
So again, to perform, to go with the bin structure, we need one more concept. Can I copy from the previous batch so that we move faster? So we are having the concept of L stack and level. Okay, just give me a second.
Okay,
Yes. So we are having L stack and level. So you can see, you can assume these are my storage types or racks, anything you can say. So in between, I'm having some space, the which the one highlighted in yellow color. So you can see this is the space we are having in between each storage type and also each rack. You can see. Okay, this gap between two storage type or two racks is nothing but L. Yes.
yeah,
So I'll show you the picture of warehouse. Yes, you can assume. So these are my racks or storage types as well. Okay. So the gap between storage type is known as L. Okay.
Okay.
The gap between two storage type is known as L.
That is empty space, right?
Yes. Like just to move the warehouse worker or to move the vehicle in that particular storage type, just we are having space. That's it. Space is nothing but L.
Okay.
The gap, the space between two racks is known as L. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And again, we are having the concept of stack. First, L is nothing but the gap or space between two racks. L. And what is meant by stack? So yes, it is perfect. So here you can see the gap between two racks is nothing but L. Okay. And
Okay.
again, what is meant by stack? So here you can see the horizontal portion of the rack is known as stack. So
Okay.
here you can see 1 and 2 and 23. These are the stacks. This 1, 5, this belongs like again top to bottom. It is going to belongs to one stack and one stack, two stack, three stack, four stack like this. Total from top to bottom. Yes.
Yeah, I
And
don't
again,
understand the stack.
yeah, here you can see 1, 5, 9, 7, 13, 17. It belongs to. So here in this picture, like everything, he like 1 and 2, everything, he denoted as a one stack. Just assume 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 is completely one stack. Okay.
Okay.
And 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. It is one more stack. This total part.
Okay.
Just you can assume shelves or racks.
Mm.
Okay. This
Yeah.
part is a second stack. And again 29, 27, 25, 23, 21 is belongs to third stack.
Okay.
Yes. So again, stack is nothing but the horizontal portion of the rack. Horizontal only, right? So again, we are having level. So again, what is mean by level? So and here, sorry, this we are going to call as vertical, right? Yes, this we are going to call as vertical, right?
Okay.
So the vertical portion of the rack is known as stack. And what is meant by level here? So I am going to assume this ground level, total one level, and second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. Yes. So again 19229 it is going to comes under first level, and 5627 it is going to comes on second level, 91025 is going to come on third, 131423 is fourth, 171821 these are the fifth level. You can see the horizontal portion of the rack is known as level. Yes.
Yeah,
So just I will ask one question. So this 10 in which level, which stack, and which L?
that is L1
Yes.
and stack 01, that is stack 1
Okay.
and level and third level.
Yes, perfect. And level is nothing but the
The
horizontal
horizontal,
portion of the rack. Yes, is going to call as level. So now we'll start with the bin structure. We are good to start with the bin structure. So now we are in system extended warehouse management and in that master data, right? So again, go to storage bins here, and here we're having define. So before that, just go to define storage bin identifier for storage bin structure. Click on execute. So for my warehouse number S100. So yes, this is my entry. So and for this AL, I'm going to represent as a AL ID as a and stack as a S, L as a level. Okay. If you want to change, you can also change. It is not an issue. But this is the standard one, standard procedure we are going to follow. Okay. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to use the same A, S, and level L for level. And now I'm going to define the bin structure with the execute. With the new entries. So for my warehouse number S100, and we are having template. So before having template, so I'll create. So in which storage type I'm going to create the bins? S101, right? Dash. I'll start with the first bin. So it is a first L, first stack 01, and first level. L stack and level. Okay. Now up to S101 dash 0 10 dash 10 dash 10. I'm going to create in 10th level, 10th stack, and 10th level. Okay. I'm going to create from 01 to 01 to 0, sorry, 01 to 10 level, and 01 to 10 stack, and 01 to 10 level. So here how many bins it is going to create? So 10 into 10 into 10, it is 1000 bins it is going to create. And again, so based upon the increment it is going to create. So if you are going with the one increment, so 1 2 3 4 5, then it is going to create 1000 bins. If you are going the, so suppose you created the first bin with 1 and second bin with 0 3, suppose odd numbers, then it is going with the only 500 bins it is going to create. So now I am going to increment with 0 1. So what I will do, just give space, and in place of 10 give it this 0 1 and space 0 1 space 0 1. Okay, I am going to increment this. After 1 it should come with the 2, right? Perfect. Sorry, I'm going to increment with 1 here. So just I'm after creation of the one bin, it is going to create the second one and third one up to it is 10th again. So and again we are having the structure. So what is the structure here? So here L stack level. So again in place of 0 1, what is this 0 1? It is nothing but L, right? And
Yeah.
0 1 is nothing but stack again. So it is level. Just in place of 0 1, I'm representing AL stack and level. And again we are having template for this one. So in place of numbers, I'm going to represent as a n, and in place of anything constant storage type anything, so remaining part I will go with the constant. Only the in place of 0 1, I'm going to mention number. So the same thing we are having. So here you can see in place of numbers we are going with the nn, and remaining things we are going with the constant. Hope it's good.
That template is predefined one because you haven't typed that CCC
No,
and N.
so like every day I'm going to use this template, right? So just when you
Oh,
are going with the just space button, it is going to come.
okay. Generally, we can give any constant. Okay, right?
No, here you can give anything, but here this
Okay,
template is again system predefined one. So it is going to
okay,
allow only constant and numbers.
oh, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yes. So here you can give anything, but again for better understanding, I'm telling in a some procedure. Okay. Yes.
okay.
I just defined, so it should create with 1 to the 10th, and again stack also up to 10 and level also up to 10th level. It is going to create. And coming to this, just come down. So in which storage tab you want to create the bins?
That's 101.
S101. Yes, I'm going to create S101. And if you want to enter the section also, it is going to have the section. But the entire bins, it is going to be in one section only. Okay. So again, I will not give any section over here. So we are having bin type. So storage bin type. What is mean by
Yes.
the storage bin type again? So here you can see the dimensions, like the size of the bin you can create. You can give it here. So we'll see this. Yes, these are the required things. Now what I will do, I'll just click on save and continue. Okay, perfect. So here we are having different storage bin types. Go to execute. So go with the new entries. For my warehouse number S100, so I will create storage bin type. So I'll give it some S1. S1 is a storage bin type, and I will go with some. This S1 is nothing but 1 meter height bin. So it is going to show the suggestions here. Like when you are going to enter the things, it is going to show some suggestions.
We have given already the storage bin S101 dash 01. What is that? And the here we given S1. What's the difference?
So S101 is nothing but storage type it is.
Actually, yeah, previously we have given S101 dash 01. That's a storage bin. Whenever we,
Yes, here
yeah, is it
the bin
manual?
number.
I forgot it.
Sorry.
No, no. Previously, we have given actually. Is it we have given in manual process or the
Yes,
things?
yes.
I
This is
forgot
the
it
one.
where it is given.
This is the one you are asking.
Yes, yes.
So this again, we have we're having three ways to create the bin set. So
Hmm.
first we tried with the LS01 manual creation.
Oh, okay,
At
okay.
a time we can create only one bin at that time. Now we are going the bin structure.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
structure, first we are going to define the structure, then it is going to create the bin. So I created the structure now.
Okay, okay.
So just for your reference, just I'm creating one bin type here. So again, just I'm creating S1 is a bin type here. So again, what is meant by bin type is nothing but you can give the dimensions to the particular bin. So and also you can assume, so which is having the bin type S1, you can assume the bin is having 1 meter height bin. So 1 meter height is nothing but 1 meter depth bin. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So you can give maximum weight of that particular bin should like the
These
capacity.
all things are provided by the functional consultants, or we can do by our own.
So again, this requirement will come with the business. So if they want like in this bin, it should occupy only maximum weight. So it should occupy only 100 kgs. Okay. Then in
Okay,
that cases, we are going to evaluate again.
okay, okay.
Maximum weight, volume, capacity, length, width of that particular bin. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Just I'm going the storage bin type as S1 and save this one. S1, S2. It is 2 meter height bin for your euros number is 100. Enter, save this. Yes.
Yeah,
So now we had defined the structure, right? Structure
yes.
is we define. Then what is the T code to execute that structure? So by using the structure, what is the T code it is? ls,
Slash, yes.
yes, slash n slash scw slash ls10 is that
LS 10. Yeah.
is go to slash n slash scw slash ls10. So now in this, so it is asking, is it your warehouse number? If it is not your warehouse number, you can just go to table view and you can go the other view. And here you can change your warehouse number. Okay. So since it is already popping up my warehouse, so you can see. So again, what is your storage type again? My storage type is S101. So this is the template I just defined. If you want, you can just select the line item and go with the details and you can check. Yes, right? This is the one only we defined. In S101 storage type, it is going to create the bins. So again, how I am going to create the bins? Now just click on environments tab here, and here we are having create bins option. The moment I click on create bins, so it is going to show. So create bins, how many bins it is going to create? 1,000 bins, right? So here also you can see in first tag, first sorry, L stack and level. First bin it is going to create, and second level and up to 10th, right? We made an entry with up to 10, it is going to create. Then so up to here you can see the stack is first stack,
Yeah,
and after 10th level it is going with the second stack. In that second again up to 10. Again in third again up to 10. Again in fourth up to 10. Okay. So like that it is going to be created up to S101 dash 10 dash 10 dash 10. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Now I'm going to create and save. Click on create and save. So do you wish to create the bins? Yes. Click on yes. So in my storage tab S101, it is going to create 1,000 bins now. Just give me a second. I'll have some water.
Yeah.
Now here you can see is getting pop-up. 1,000 storage bins are created. So again, where I can check this 1,000 storage bins? Sorry,
Um,
yes, monitor T code.
yes, yes, yeah,
Monitor T code.
MON.
So in that, go to stock and bin, and in the double click on the storage bin. It is going to come. Before it is only one, right?
Yeah.
There's only one. Now just I'm going to refresh here. So here you can see, just you can come down, you can see 1,002. So before that we created one bin, right? So basically it is going to create 1,000 bins. So if you want to check the bins also, you can check 01-01-01 and last bin, go to the last, and you can see the enter 10-10-10. Yes,
Yeah.
it's perfect. Now creation of the by using bin structure is completed. Now the last one is by using uploading tool how you are going to create the bins. We'll see that again. Again go to this T code /n/SAWM/SBUP. So now I am going go to /n/SEWM/SBUP. You can just assume SB is nothing but storage bin and UP is nothing but uploading. Okay,
Okay.
just click on enter. So we are having, so first we are going to fill in Excel sheet here. So in this case, go with the export icon. So in that I'm going to have one spreadsheet. Just click on that spreadsheet. Okay, export to. So I'm going with desktop. I'm selecting desktop for S100, or you can also give the name storage bin S100. Okay, I'm going to save this. Okay, yes, I'm going to allow. Do you want to grant the permission to modify the directory? Yes, allow. So now it is going to open the Excel sheet. So in that Excel sheet, it is having the details: warehouse number, storage bin, storage type, storage section, storage bin type, bin access type, everything. Like what are the things you are having in LS01 T code, everything it is going to have. So over here in this Excel sheet. Okay, just you can drag it to the right and you can see everything. X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z, everything it is going to show. Okay. So
Yeah.
in my warehouse number, what is my warehouse number?
Yes, 100.
Yes, 100. So I will create I will create 20 bins in the S100. And what is the storage type?
S101.
So like we are having enough bins in S101. So we'll create in S102 bin. Sorry, storage type. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go with S102 now. So I'm going to create 20 bins in S102. And what is the storage bin number you want to go with that? S101, sorry, 102 dash.
102.
So in the storage
0.
type, first tag,
0.
first tag, first level, right? So I'm going to create 20 bins in this first L, first tag, anything. Just I'm going with the sequence. That's it. Yes, is it fine? Yes. Any doubts here?
No.
I'm going the 20 bins in the first L, first tag, and 20 level. You can see 20th level. Now I'm going to save this one. Go to file and go to save as. Again, I'm going to save in this PC. So I'll go with S102. So again, save as type. So I'm going to save CSV comma delimited. So everything we are going to save in CSV comma delimited. So I'm going to change it to CSV comma delimited here. Right? Desktop. Going to save in desktop. Yes. I'm just closing this one. Minimize the screens. Yes, this is my CSV file, right? S102. It is there. Now go to the SBUP, same T code. Okay. So go to same SBUP T code, enter. Yes. Now just go the open folder, click on open folder, and where I saved it is in desktop.
Desktop.
So it is the folder. Storage bins S102 is a folder. Just double click on this and just I'm going to upload. Yes, I'm going to grant access to this file, allow. So you can see it is extracted. So in this S100 warehouse number and these are the storage bins up to 20 bins we created, right? We
Yeah.
entered and in S102 storage type. Yes, now I'm going to create the bins. So yes, it is the thing we entered in the Excel sheet and saved as CSV file. And now I'm going to create the storage bins. Click on this create. Now you can see 20 storage bins created. So in which storage type? S102, right?
Yeah.
We'll copy this storage type and again go to the monitor. So and double click on this storage bin and copy this S102 storage type. Now just click on execute. Yes, you can see in S102 storage type we are having the bins up to 20 bins. Yes,
Yeah.
any doubts here? In creation of storage bins?
No. Once maybe I will have a doubt while I'm practicing.
Yes, definitely you will get some things. So yes, it is done.
Then how can
Yes,
I contact? And I mean, while I'm practicing, if I have any doubts, how can I contact you in group? Can I send any doubt messages in our group?
or else you can share it to my personal number. So in that group I'm having personal number, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can share it.
Okay, thank you.
So can we move forward or we can stop this?
Yeah, we can stop this because it looks like a very heavy and burden to me.
Okay, okay, no issue. Can just do
Yeah.
practice. So anyway, like today evening we are not having session. Again
Yeah.
we'll see tomorrow at same
And
time.
one more thing, after session, as soon as possible, please send me this today's recording because I have to practice.
Okay,
If you send,
yes,
if you send after some time, then I don't have time to practice, and I cannot prepare for the next class. I cannot ready for the next class.
yes. So I will just talk with them. just inform them as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Shavanti. Thank you for joining.
Yeah,
Have a good
thank you. Yeah,
day.
thank you. Bye.